Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Q4Quantum, where we explore how quantum computing is shaping the future of industry, science, and innovation. I am an AI avatar of Siddharth, and I'm really excited to have you all here today for a very important discussion on the topic accelerating drug discovery and molecular simulations using quantum computing. This podcast is designed for researchers, students, pharmaceutical professionals, healthcare innovators, deep tech enthusiasts, startup co founders, enterprise leaders, and anyone curious about how quantum technologies can transform the future of medicine and computational science. So let's get started. Drug discovery is one of the most complex and expensive processes in the world today. Developing a single successful drug can take more than 10 years and cost billions of dollars. One of the biggest challenges is understanding molecular interactions accurately. How proteins interact with ligands, how molecules behave under different conditions, and how we can predict outcomes before entering expensive laboratory trials. This is where quantum computing becomes extremely powerful. Quantum systems are naturally suited to model quantum mechanical behavior inside molecules. Instead of approximating molecular interactions using only classical computing, quantum computing allows us to simulate electronic structures, molecular energies, and chemical interactions in a much more realistic and scalable way. Today, researchers are already exploring hybrid quantum classical approaches using algorithms like VQE, SQD, DEMT, and quantum enhanced molecular simulations to improve drug screening, reduce false positives, and accelerate the identification of promising compounds. Why is this important? Because faster and more accurate simulations can dramatically reduce the time required to discover new drugs, personalize treatments, and respond to global healthcare challenges. Quantum computing could eventually help scientists design better medicines for cancer, neurological disorders, rare diseases, and many other critical healthcare problems. This topic is especially important for pharmaceutical companies, biotech firms, research labs, universities, healthcare innovators, and governments investing in next generation scientific infrastructure. Businesses that start exploring quantum technologies today could gain significant advantages in R&D acceleration, computational efficiency, molecular design, and scientific innovation over the coming decade. I strongly believe that the convergence of quantum computing, AI, and molecular science will create one of the most transformative technology shifts of our generation. And this is only the beginning. Thank you once again for listening to Q4 Quantum. I will continue bringing more such exciting topics related to quantum computing, real world applications, innovation, and future technologies through upcoming podcast episodes. Kindly like, share, and post your comments. Thank you, and see you in the next episode of Q4 Quantum.